is playing Rumble Quest. Okay, I'm playing with Shawaf. Who's Shawaf? Shawaf.
Hello.
I'm playing Rumble Quest. There. We've been playing this, but not for hours.
Please subscribe.
Yeah. No, do not say please subscribe. You can say can you subscribe, but do not say please.
Why?
That means judging. But let's play hard.
Okay.
Join me.
Okay.
Wait. Oh my, great
Are
lobby.
you creating a party?
No, just go to the lobby. I mean, find dungeon.
Yeah.
Are you playing with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Start. Woo! Oh, someone join and then exit.
To you?
You.
I didn't because it's so laggy.
Leveling up.
You're level 15. How did you get to level 15, by the way?
Okay, I'm going 25. Then I'll give you some my armors.
How? We're not yet level 25.
Yeah, I said I'm.
You're gonna keep?
Yep.
Okay,
Still
it's
loading.
Loading. Oh, we're playing. Oh, not yet.
It's 14.
I'm not yet playing.
I'm playing. You're here.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
I'm already going.
Oh, again.
Oh, what? You leave?
No.
What?
Here. The gate's closed for me.
Gate? Close? Whack! You idiot. I'm going here. You're going there. I'm going here. Oof, I got killed. Oh my, what happened? I hate zombies. I'll kill you, you witch. I'm gonna use my shield. And there, boo. Oh yeah, you killed the witch. Whack! Already killed them all.
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm still level 19. Are you?
5.
Level 15?
Yeah.
There. Get self. Blah blah. Oh, you get that. Oof. This is hard.
Yeah.
Because it says hard. Wow! Boo. I'm taking care with these guys. You're going down, you King Orc. Let's go.
I'm 59.
59?
My health is 59.
Wow, I'm 28. I'm gonna get killed. Yep, I got killed. How about you get killed?
Yeah.
Come here, you little zombies. I'm not scared of you.
Brats.
Ta, you scaredy witch. You little scaredy cat. Oh, yeah. Double kill. Let's go. We're good at this, guys. That's why we need level up, so we're gooder. I just killed them all by using the tornado. Whoop. I'm using my shield. Aha. The witch didn't notice the shield. I'm taking care of these guys. Do not fight them. I'll just fight them. Okay, let's go.
I'm level 16.
I'm level 19. Can I get them all so I can get XP? Okay?
I'll kill the last group.
You're killing all of them, you know that.
No, I get killed.
Yeah. Pa, pa, ooh. Yeah, you missed. The witch missed. There. I'm gonna kill them all, okay? All, okay? All by myself, so I can go to level 20. I'm already, my XP is 15,000.
Let's share.
There.
The time will get.
There. It's almighty.
Oh.
King Orc, yes! Wait, I'm gonna get killed. Never mind. I'm using my shield. You're going down. King Orc, you're just the worst king. Oof, I got killed. You're dying, King Orc. Surrender. Surrender. I said surrender. Surrender. I said surrender, King Orc. You're just the worst king. I said surrender. I said surrender. Wow, he's 7,000 still? We're not getting damages. I mean, he's not getting damage.
Oh, I get killed. No.
I got killed.
Me too.
No, I didn't. I'm using my shield. I thought you used the shield.
I forgot.
Oh, I'm 14. 22. Oh, there. I got killed. There. I'm going after
Using my tornado.
Tornado! I used my tornado too. He's 3,000. I wish we have a party. There, I'm using my shield because I don't want to die.
Tornado and shield. Yahoo!
Tornado! Kill King Orc! Pew. There, that was fun.
Whoa!
Whoa!
What did you get?
Nothing. I use only a pants.
Look. Oh, my sword.
Skills time! I'm level 20. Okay, I increase my point. I mean my... I don't know what it's called. I'm going to my armor. Okay, I'm gonna use this. My health is 900. Goody.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to daily.
This
Okay,
is
fine.
my sword. It's cool.
It's my sword. Okay,
No,
it's
it's
not
not
yours. I'm buying it all for my pants. Now I got still 9,000. Let's play already. Come on. Wait, I'm gonna test my sword. Okay, 95. Good.
Why are you gonna trade mine?
What trade? I'm still 25. I mean, it's level 25, right?
Yeah.
I'm still 20. You?
I'm still 16. Wait.
I'm gonna play, okay? I'm gonna go to... Nobody's playing with me. I'm on expert, guys. I'm playing with expert, but nobody will join me.
I'll join.
You cannot because you're still level 16.
Okay.
How about I join you? Leave lobby.
Wait.
Wait. I'll just make one, and you'll come there.
You can upgrade it.
Come on. What are you doing?
Wait, I
Let's
can
play.
upgrade.
What cannot upgrade? I cannot see anything, by the way. I'm just walking around like a dizzy bozy. Join my find lobby. Wait, where are you? Cannot see anything.
I can
What?
increase my skill points and then I can upgrade.
Yeah, I cannot see you, by the way. How about join me? Oh, there. Wait, where are you going? Cannot see anything by now. Join. What are you waiting for?
I'm just right here.
There. And also.
It's so laggy.
Oh. I can see you. Wait, it's not you.
Then the people's
Where are you?
so laggy too.
Where are you?
God.
Whoa.
Where are you, by the way?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm in the upgrade.
Can people here?
Hey, how about join me already? I'm waiting.
Wait, it's so laggy. Oh my God, I hate this.
How about you create lobby? Never mind, I'll just do it. Did you find mine?
Okay.
What are you doing?
No. Wait, are you with me or not?
No.
No. What are you gonna upgrade? Health? Strength? Oh dear. What's wrong with this?
Oh my god.
Fix it.
No.
That was nothing, guys.
Wait, I'm gonna. Sheriff is gonna leave, guys. Then she's gonna come back.
It's so loading, guys. That's why.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Please wait, guys. Wait. There, I'm gonna start the game with this guy. Oh my. This is hard, but this will get pretty hard. Let's go. Beep, 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 beep. Use it. You're gonna die, witches. Wait. Stop. Stop. He's getting all my points. There. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Die. He's level 17. And I'm level 20. I'm the bigger health than him. He's taking all my prey. There. He's taking it. I hate this guy. I wish I didn't let him join me. Get yourself that. Walls. There, get yourself killed. Getting all these bad boys here. I'm gonna get them. There. No. No. You're not getting my points. You little thingy. Getting all the points. I hate this guy. He's getting all your points. Oh my, there. Getting all of them. There. He's getting it. Oh my, no. Please get killed. You little idiot. I'm going here. Why does he want me to go there? He's just an annoying guy. He's so annoying. And he's so blah. I hate him. I don't like this guy. It's just nothing to me. It's just getting a wound. I mean, what's this called? I don't know what this called. Getting that. What? I said do not take all of them because he cannot handle. Just leaving it one to him. Well, he's really weak though. Let's see if he's pretty weak. But I used the shield. And there. He's using also lightning mod. There. Getting all of them. There. Ooh, there. Ooh, cool. There. Yep, King all time because this guy is just the worst. There. Look guys. This guy is just the worst. His attacks is 80. I mean not 80, like 8. Yeah, like 8. You can see it. Yep, 8. You can see it. Well, he's pretty dead. Can see him. I'm taking King Ark all by myself because of him. Because he's pretty weak, guys. Cannot even defend his health. We just kill all of them. There. Yes, you're almost dead. Oh, come on, King Ark. You're just the worst king. Oh my. What's this guy doing? He's doing nothing. He's just staring at King Ark. Get yourself killed. I'm almost dead and he is too. He's little handling me to King Ark. This guy is nothing. Oof. King Ark is pretty strong. Yep, you handle those little guys. There. Woo!
You get
Armor.
3-star?
Yes. How about yours? 4?
No.
2?
Only 3.
I'm going to my inventory. Go to the armor.
No, not like that.
Health? Cool. There, I'm 1,000. I'm gonna play with Sheriff, guys. Right? I'm gonna sell this. And then this, and this. And sell. For 4K. I have 10,000. I'm gonna upgrade. Never mind.
Did you quit this?
Yeah, because it was so laggy.
Why you didn't bring it again?
I tried to play it, but it's not yet. I'm a little strong now, Sheriff. Wait, guys. I'm gonna say bye-bye first. This is part 1. Bye-bye. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And bye-bye.